Hello guys, welcome back to next video tutorial. In the previous session we had just look around the registration form. In that we had just created the style sheet and different types of style sheet. In last moment we have just not gone with the media queries because our form is just looking like this, and we have to just created the media queries also. Then our part will be finished. So let's get started. Here we are just creating a simple code, like we have to just pass like this: media only screen, and we have to just pass like this: max dash width. We are just passing here 600 pixel. I will just tell you brief about this technique, and we will just take what we have to just pass the classes over here. So we are used here these two classes, so I will just copy and paste it over here. I don't want that code. I will just make it like this, and we here we have to just pass the width. So we are just passing here width like 98%, and here it's also 98%. If I will just run this code, then our form is just looking like a mobile screen. We are just look around with the 600 pixel. It is just starting from the 600 pixel. So if I just want in tablet view also, then we can just write down here like 700 or 800 also. Then our code will just look like this. We can just create multiple things also, like if I will just create this for 600 pixel, and I will just create the max width for 800 or 900 pixel, then I will just mention here 98. We can just create like about 78%, and this is for 78%. So we can just create and decrease and increase the width by the media query. We have this tablet view, then our mobile view comes down. Then we can just align, means how our form will just look like in desktop view, tablet view, and the mobile view. We can just refactor it by just passing here the values. We can just create like this. We will just look the brief overview. We can just by how we just want like that. We can just pass here load property also. We are just created here the padding property of 1 pixel 1%. So we will just gonna pass 45%. We can just adjust it by just entering here 20%, or we can just adjust it by just passing the correct value over here, and we can just make the all the views as per our requirements for desktop view, tablet view, and then mobile view. We can just create how we just need that. We can just increase the button width and button size also in mobile view by just passing this button tag over here in mobile or tabular view. Just like font size to 20 pixel. We can just increase in mobile view. We need bigger button, so that we can just adjust it by it will automatically adjusting its width and the property. We can just refactor every property. The main thing is the max width property. Here we want, if we want the tabular view and the mobile view, then we have to just pass like this, or else we can just create the any other factors also. If here we will just pass the min width, then our code is will work like it will just work for the outer part, means after 600 pixels it will just applying this below CSS, and below 600 it will just conducting the rather than the CSS. We can just adjust it by our requirements. If we are just building the mobile software, then we can just use this properties finally. And if we are just building the mobile plus desktop plus our tabular view or any other device, we can just create the multi-layer applications, or we can just use these properties for hybrid application development. In that we can just implement these things as per our requirement. You will just get brief overview by just trying these things. And if you have any queries or problems, then you can just ask me on the comment section, and I will just reply you over there. Our video is just over. Just subscribe channel and share these things with your friends.